In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Solana. That thing is absolutely popping in the past week, guys. Look at this, boom. This thing has been going absolutely parabolic, so we're going to dive into that. But before that, let's dive into Bitcoin, just a smart technical analysis TA on Bitcoin. So yesterday, I made a video. If you guys saw it, I mentioned that we might come back down to 44,000 and get rejected. Why? Because of this resistance, essentially. We had a resistance right here and something right here, something like that, and now we have another one. Okay, so we essentially got rejected at this point. Now if you guys took along, okay, which I told you guys that you can, with of course stop losses, because I'm not financial advisor and you guys have to manage your risk. So I did say that the stop loss would be something like this at essentially 43,000, and then the take profit would be right here at 48,000. Now if you're using 2x leverage or 3x, that's anywhere between 16 to 24%. If we go all the way back there, of course. And as you guys can see, we got a nice little rejection right here. So that's on the 4-hour time frame. Having a look at the exponential moving the exponential moving average real quick, we are below it and we essentially got rejected. So on the short term, we could see some more downwards action, but on the daily time frame, if we have a look at the exponential moving average, we could come back down to as low as 43,000 and essentially get rejected from here. Now looking at the moving averages, we are below the 200 moving average on the daily time frame. Let me take the 9 moving average away and the 50 moving average. Although we could come back down to the 50, which is right here at this support at 37,000, we are below the 200 moving average, which is a little bit bearish. I don't like that, but we essentially been below right here, as you guys can see. This was the Elliott wave I was talking about, and we are in the middle essentially of the 4th wave. So we could see a potential 5th wave starting tomorrow or even Friday. So having a look at Solana, at the RSI, sorry, let's have a look at the RSI real quick. We are coming down, which is good on the RSI, but we are still floating above 44,000. On the 4-hour time frame, looking at the RSI, guys, we are below 43, which is fantastic. This is very good for Bitcoin. That means we have some room to grow now. And on the 1-hour time frame, we are right here at about 47. So we are still below 50. We do have some resistance at 50 right here, as you guys can see. We got rejected a few times. When we're above it, it's usually good on the 1-hour time frame. So having a look at Solana right now, up 21% in since the new daily candle started, guys. That thing has been exploding. Where can we go? Is this oversold? I mean, overbought? Is this gonna be? Is this gonna go up any further? Let's have a look. So first of all, on Solana, we are on the RSI way oversold at 91, guys. So right here, anything that's overbought is above 70, and right now we are essentially at 90, guys. So the last time we were above 90 was essentially never. We were at 83 and essentially got rejected a few times. So you guys have to be careful, of course, not to play this with leverage and not to FOMO into this coin. You will get burned if you FOMO, because we are majorly right now overbought on Solana. What can happen? We could of course go up, peak all the way to $90 and then come back down and have a nice little correction. I think we're gonna have a nice little correction. Now where will the correction be? Well, I do have a target at 51. If that doesn't happen, we could have essentially a very slow correction at approximately right here at $61. So those are of course other targets you guys can set your profit right here. I mean your buy limit. $61 seems like it's gonna be a good area to buy. So anywhere between 61 and 51 would essentially be my target for Solana buy. We could essentially come back to this support right here at 75. I don't think we're just gonna correct that little. We need to see a breather. We need to see a correction for Solana. Can we go to 100 before we go to 61? Possibly, but I don't think so, guys. I don't think so. I just don't think so. This thing has been absolutely mooning. Look at the weekly candle. This is one of the biggest weekly candle we've seen. And that's it, guys. Anyways, if you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's free, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.